So today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited emails. And in order to do that, I'm going to need you to get on your phone. On a PC, this is not going to work. You're going to need a phone number. Alright, so click over here and click on Add Account. Enter your password. And then all the way on the bottom, you want to go to Create an Account. To manage my business is that's if you are gonna open up a Google My Business also. Just go for myself, enter your name, and you want to click Create Your Account. I already went through this process and I found the email that's available. So click Next and then create a password. And once you have created a password, click Next. Add a phone number. It's asking you now as a question. Go and skip this process on the bottom. And then later, next, scroll down, I agree. So this is great if you're trying to open up multiple channels and you're just starting up on YouTube, but you only have one phone number. There is other ways, but this one is the best probably. And then bots. So our email does work, and we got a free YouTube account.